Hello, friends.
You're watching ArcFix Pro. In this video, I'll be exposing poor and dishonest repair work done by previous technicians. Today, I want to show you what some so-called technicians did before this machine came to me. Now I'm going to fix the mistakes they made and then give you a full review. Before we start the video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. If that's all set, let's get started. Friends, this is our throne. One leg of the transistor is connected to a wire, and the other end of the wire is welded to the plate. They did this to prevent the transistor from escaping. They did this as if the transistor could run away, so they tied one of its legs with a wire and soldered the other end to the PCB. Back many times, so there was no space left on the PCB. That's why they tied it with a wire and thought it will work fine like this. Anyway, let's continue the video. So guys, we've finished repairing the Technico 160 for welding machine, and now I'm going to give you a proper, detailed review of this unit. So friends, first of all, we turn on the welding machine. One important thing to remember: when you power on the unit, always set the current control knob to 0. This helps protect the electronics and avoid sudden current spikes. Now we'll try it at a low current setting. As you can see, it really does deliver low current smoothly, which is very important for thin metal and precise work. Next, we set it to 50 amps. Everything works stable and clean. Another good thing about this machine is that it has a built-in protection system against short circuits. For example, if the welding cables accidentally touch each other, the machine will not deliver current. This kind of protection is very important because it prevents damage to the power transistors and extends the overall lifespan of the welding machine. In short, the protection system here is working properly, and that's a big plus for this unit. Now we increase the setting again and set it to 100 amps. As you can see, it delivers a full 100 amps exactly as indicated. This means the Technico 160 for welding machine is truly a solid, reliable unit. It's a genuine import machine, well built, and clearly made with quality in mind. Now we set it to 140 and then to 160 amps, and even at these levels, delivers the exact current very accurately. So friends, even though this machine is small in size, its performance is really impressive. It works stable, smoothly, and confidently under load. If you already own a welding machine like this, I honestly recommend taking good care of it and not getting rid of it, because units like this are built to last. The Technico 160 for may look compact, but inside it has a strong power section, good protection systems, and reliable electronics. That's why it's suitable not only for home use but also for professional and long-term work. In short, this is one of those machines where size doesn't matter, quality does. So friends, that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next videos. Thanks for watching. Take care, and see you in the next one.